Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Thursday, February 28th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 4 3/4 points to 27.90 1/4 per contract. All in all, the futures are off of the worst levels, which were made around 3 o'clock in the morning. You can see that they have come back a little bit. We have lots of geopolitical events out here, so just be aware of that. You can check the news for that. We really just care about the charts and what the charts are telling us. All right, let's get started here. We have lots of stocks in the news. First one we're going to start out the day with is going to be Celgene. Celgene getting hit hard. This comes after Wellington Management said they do not support the Bristol-Myers acquisition of Celgene, and the stock, you can see, is selling off very, very sharply. Right now it's trading at $83.58. The stock yesterday closed at $90.99. I'm going to have some levels for this one. They'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room. Obviously, they are a bit lower, so we'll see how it plays out here. Next up, we want to take a look at Booking, the old Priceline. BKNG is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $1,736.94. It closed yesterday at $19.06. Ouch, that's a haircut. Again, I do think there's a fair amount of support at 1700 level, but just got to be careful here because this stock does not trade a million shares a day. It's a little bit on the light volume side, and it's high price, and it does have what we call overshoot quality, so it can overshoot levels, but 1700 looks pretty decent, at least initially. Let's take a look at Square today. Square is getting hit pretty hard. The stock closed at $79.32, now trading at $75.56. Did trade briefly below $73.50 after hours yesterday, so it has come back a little bit. Square, for the most part, down on the earnings announcement. We'll see how it plays out today. I'll have levels ready to go for this one once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at JD. This is having a power move to the upside. JD closed yesterday at $25.97. Right now it's trading at $29.07. Almost got to the 30 level. We'll see if it gets up there again. I do think there's a lot of resistance in this general area. If you take a look at the daily chart, you're going to see you have a 200 period moving average around 28.75, and that's basically, right around where the stock is now. So again, great pop for JD. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone here. I wouldn't get short the name. It does have pretty good strength under it, so we'll see how that plays out. Next up, we want to take a look at Monster Beverage. MNST is the ticker symbol here. Mega pop here. The stock closed at $58.75, now trading at $64.37. I happen to think that Monster at this level is getting a little bit overbought. So if you own a trail, the stop loss on this name, again, great move for Monster, but getting a little long in the tooth here. Let's take a look at Budweiser, or better yet, InBev, Anheuser-Busch InBev as it's called now. Stock right now is trading at $78.31. Closed yesterday at $74.72. So a nice little pop there for BUD. I'll give it the upside bias to around $82.50. I think there's a lot of resistance between $82.50 and $83. So be a little bit careful there. Here's Box, BOX. This stock is getting absolutely mauled after reporting earnings. This is the danger of holding stocks into earnings. You'll see that closed yesterday at $24.88. Look at the haircut here. All the way down to $19.44. So this is ugly on every stretch. I will have a gap level ready to go in the intraday stock chat room. It will be a bit lower, but again, we will be looking at Box today. Pretty good sell-off. That's a monster sell-off for the most part. Let's take a look at HP, ticker symbol HPQ. Stock right now is trading at $20.38. Closed at $23.85. When I look at this one, this is ugly on every metric. Pretty good little sell-off here. You will have some support in this $20 area, I suppose. Then you have the December lows, which bring you down to around $19.21. Depends how you get in there. There could be a little bounce play there. Really depends on how you get into that level. So we'll keep that on the radar today. That will be in play. Let's take a look at LB, which is L Brands. Stock right now is trading at $26.15. Briefly traded below $25. Now coming back a bit. Closed yesterday at $27.40. So I don't think there's much to do here yet. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. I don't think we're going to do much with it right now, but we'll see if it does come into play. We'll see if any patterns develop. Next up, we want to take a look at Wingstop, WING. Stock right now is trading at $63.25, closed at $65.97. So a little bit of a haircut there. If this stock gets down to 56.35, it is a buy level. So keep that on the radar, 56.35. I don't know if it's going to get down that low, but if it does, I would definitely be interested in that name. All right, let's get over now to the gold market. Gold futures trading higher by $2. Right now they're trading at $1,323.30 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading at 124.85. GLD is a good ETF to track the movement in gold if you do not have a gold futures chart. Next up, we have crude oil trading up about 14 cents to 57.07 a barrel. All in all, oil holding up pretty well. Let's take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF to track the movement in crude. That's trading at 11.93. So oil getting a little bit of an uptick. Gold getting a little bit of an uptick. Futures right now down 5 1/4. It's been a rough week for the markets. We'll see how they play out today. Again, lots of geopolitical events in play. But all in all, this is a good trading market. We had a very good day yesterday. If you don't have not taken a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, you're more than welcome to do so. We'd love to have you here. Again, we're having a great 2019 and we had a fabulous 2018. So again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.